Hello dear student, welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. Ramnath Andre, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, well-known KTM College Narsing. Today we are going to deal with the practical paper 3rd, in that the part Agriculture Pest and their control, and we discuss about the practical paper, practical number 3. The title of practical number 3 is Study of any two non-insect. Here we are already go through what is the requirement of this non-insect pest. Basically we select out the some non-insect pest, and this non-insect pest we need to the non-insect pest chart or specimen. We selected out the very first as a rat is one of the non-insect pest, and we take out the one chart for this. Then we also need for the another one, the non-insect pest is the crab. We also taken the specimen of this, and third one we also discuss about the third non-insect pest. It is a snail. What is the concept behind the non-insect pest? You already know that, well known to all the insect, in that some are act as a pest and they cause the damage to the store grains, they cause the damage to the different type of crops. Similarly, the non-insect pest also has caused two, like that store grain pest, then vegetable crop, different type of crops also cause the non-insect pest also. It's a very basic concept behind to the study of non-insect pest. And we can go through the example of non-insect pest as discuss about titles, and the rat, then crabs and the snails. Rat, they have the, we know that we already discussed about the rat are two types, the black rat and the brown rat. This identification, the black rat have the long tail, and the brown rat they show the short tail, and the color variation we already seen in the as a morphological base. What are the comment behind to the rat as a non-insect pest? Very first, the rat is cause the damage to the agriculture crops plants like rice, wheat, jawar, sugarcane, etc. It cut the plants and feed on them, as well as the many crop plants like groundnut and rice, wheat have to observe the very high voraciously damage carried by the rat in the time of pre-harvesting condition, and causing the considerable loss of the crops we can observe in that above mentioned crops. As well as it also causes the heavy damage in the store grains in the terms of the go down condition. You can just go through the government or any private go downs in that area. There always we can observe the number of damages is caused due to the rats. A single rat, we can just overview taken about the single rat consume about 9 kg grain per annum. You can think about that. In a per annum they require the 9 kg grains. This is very interesting and harmful condition to the store grain pest. The 9 kg grains are consumed. It also, they not consume only, but they also spoil the grains, then 10 times more than it consumed due to the contamination of excreta, some nitrogen waste contain the fecal matter, then its urine are all the spoiled on this excreta part, and ultimately they are damaged to the common species of rat. You already know that in India, basically the Rattus, it is also known as commonly called as the black rat, and other Rattus norvegicus, this is a brown rat. They are also these two type of rat commonly found or seen in the Indian country. Then they not only damage to the crop, but also they act as a carrier to transmit the different type of diseases, and in that the one of the very dangerous disease is transmitted to the human being with the rat flea. This is known as a plague. You know that, or there is one of the historical things in 1999 there is a rat spread the one of the disease in the human community as a plague. Rattus rattus is a common species are found, and it is also active in night time in habitat area. Basically the damage of the more damage in store grain and also the crop, and both the damage, their active condition of the rattus rattus is at night time. They are nocturnals. You can look like pictures. There is one of the brown rat, and this rat we can see the pictures there. They nibble of this package of the grain, and they cut it, and nibbling to some food is extract out, and they feed and they spoil is number of things to observe in these pictures. This is very simple information related to non-insect pest as a rat, and they cause the damage to the go down as well as pre-harvesting condition of different type of the agriculture crops. Similarly, another we can see the pictures like to the crab. The crab these crab, they are useful for the economic importance as a human food, but some type of crab also damage the crops. They act as a non-insect pest in agriculture area, basically paddy field. You can look like the crab are the polyphagous animal. They feed on any. What is means polyphagous? Polyphagous means they feed on different type of food material. Polyphagous animal. They feed on a variety of food crops. As like we can very interesting things to the there. All the that the crab are habitual or habitat in the wetland area, and these wetland crops they basically damaged by the crabs. They are again the similar like to the rat. The crabs also are nocturnal. They are active at the night times. These crabs are cut the young paddy plant. They carry them to burrow and feed on that. And this is one of the damaging status. As like to the most of time in India they have in the edges of the sea they have the paddy field is there, and on the paddy field the south to the is starting the Western Ghat as well as the Eastern Ghat in the edges of the Arabian Sea, and we can look at the large plantation of the paddy field, cultivation of paddy field, and in that more damage is carried by the crabs. As well as it's also they make it the burrow, deep burrow they build it in the crop field, and the water is not retained in the field. Ultimately the water is wet out or exposed out to the burrow in the field, and ultimately the dry condition, ultimately the water status is fall down, and ultimately the damage to the paddy fields. The well known the three species of crab are known to damage of paddy field in Indian country. Which are they? The first one is the khekra, then chimburi and muthia. These three crab species are damage carried out in the Indian subcontinent. The crop have been reported as a heavy loss of the paddy field. Already I mentioned in the edges and their Konkan region of Maharashtra they cause the more damage of the crabs. You can look at the pictures there. In the standing crop they cut it this field, they infest on, they cut it, and they carry the whole the earlyhood seedling, they cut it and they bring with the homes as in burrow and then feed on that. This is the picture is represent that act as a to infesting the rice field or rice crops. The third type of the non-insect pest as a snail. The different type of snail it may be the Achatina folica, it may be the Pila globosa, it may be the helix. These are the different type of snail that act as a non-insect pest in agriculture field. Very first, the apple snail like Pila is feeding on the same like the paddy crops, or African snail like Achatina folica. It's again serious pest for the crops. It may be the grapes, then banana, so many things. They are fruit, vegetable, wheat, fruit crops. They are damaged by Achatina folica. It also damages the vegetables. It also damages to the ornamental plants in the coastal region. The snail basically cause the damage carried out the agricultural crop in early stages, acting as an agriculture pest in very the tender plant. The damage carried out by these snails. It also act as a vector. They carry some parasite with you and infect to the human being, as like to the blood flux and the liver. So this snail is also act as economical importances to the human society. Some mollusks are indirectly harmful to the human, but most of them are beneficial to the human. As a part of this, all the calcium carbonate is synthesized on the outer covering, and it helping for the medicinal purpose. The land snail are sludge. They also damage to the garden, the orchid plants, greenhouses, and mushroom beds. And these are the number of area that damage carried out by the land snail as well as snail. In the land snail, we can specifically example as a helix. They also feed on the succulent part of the seedling and as well as mature plant, and it may be the very dangerous to the agriculture crop damage. They also feed on the root, stem of the plant and destroy the whole crops, and ultimately this is a dangerous situation, dangerous condition is created by the snail and sludges. You can look at the pictures. This is one of the experience. This Achatina folica as a African snail, the serious pest for the grape. And you know that in Nasik district there is grape seed is there, and this is a very dangerous pest for the grape plants. Okay, these are the very simple discussion related to non-insect pest. You can just go through the all practical part, just learn it. You have and there is how any query you can just discuss with in the practical session part. Thank you and